What's up, guys? Today we're back with a brand new video, and today we're going to be going to other parks besides the Magic Kingdom, and we're going to be having a lot of fun. Right now I'm going down into the lobby to have lunch, you know, so we gotta have food before we go, so let's go.
So yesterday, holiday party, what was your favorite part?
Probably the lines. There's none, really.
Nope, did pretty much a little bit of everything. Free food?
Free food is always a plus.
Free in a relative sense.
Yeah.
Today, round number 2 for Disney. And tell the people where we're heading today.
Right now we're heading to Epcot, so it'll be fun.
Before we get there, top 3 things to do at Epcot. Go. Because I'm gonna go Soarin'. That's
Yes.
number 1 for me. Even though I prefer the over California to the current over the world, that's fine. 2, I'm gonna go just eating food.
Yes.
Food is delicious, especially international food, and my favorite place in Japan.
Yes.
And 3, test track.
Yes.
But well, no, taking that back. I'm replacing Test Track with Spaceship Earth because I just want to hear the dulcet tones of Dame Judi Dench tell me all about the history of civilization and communication.
Yes.
And then sometimes it's fun to just like plug in like Japanese or something on there and have no idea what they're talking about.
No.
So if you've never done that, choose a different language. It's a lot of fun, especially when it gets to the quiz at the end, and then you're just picking stuff at random, and you usually see like one of those little stories that you've never seen before.
Yes.
Because you're not choosing what you would normally choose. But today we're gonna probably go Judi Dench.
Let's do it.
That's right.
And we're back at Epcot. So we're going to ride Spaceship Earth first, but it's the Epcot Festival of Holidays right now. But it's really cool right now. So it feels a lot better today than yesterday. Oh yeah. Spaceship Earth!
To learn your ABCs, thank the Phoenicians.
Thank you, Phoenicians! Always remember. We're stuck in time. I don't want to be stuck here. I need my phone. He needs to actually paint something. WDI is a reference to Walt Disney Imagineering.
Anywhere on Earth. And in 1969,
Little thing. This is my dream apartment. Look at this.
to send a man to the moon, we had to invent a new language. Spoken not by man, but by
Nice balcony.
very well.
Steve Carell, I loved you in The Office. Where will it shoot us?
I don't think there's a lot of people that way.
Not really. We got coffee, and now we get caffeine and then ride Test Track. Single rider though, so
Should be good to go now.
yes.
Fall asleep on this ride.
Caffeine is the way to go. Let's make a car.
Power test.
Box jellyfish.
I wonder if clownfish taste funny.
Welcome to the EAC!
Actual fish. Behind them.
So let's discover.
It's not as colorful. Eels can swim back and forth. That's crazy, right? On this episode of Finding Nemo. There he is. On this episode of Finding Dory. What's a Dory again? Now we're off to the craziest ride in the park. Are you excited for the craziest ride?
Is it Journey to Imagination?
Yeah, it's the craziest ride. It's top speeds, sudden drops, just like rocking a roller coaster or something.
I don't think I can go. I'm an expectant mother.
Yes, no people are expecting. It's very dangerous to do that, and you can't see my face. And now for the absolute craziest ride. The best ride. Journey into Imagination with Figment. Let's go. My imagination is going to be perfect after this. Yes. Let's go.
Listening with your imagination.
Now I've completely lost my train of thought.
No, you haven't. It's over here. Thoughts can start appearing, and each of us imagine different things. You can see with your eyes, but imagine what you can see if you used your imagination. Follow the bouncing figment. Win one cent.
Really stinks.
Of course, Doc. The nose knows. One awful whiff can send you reeling. One lovely sniff can be appealing. Innovation, imagination nearly comes around. It's down side up and upside down. Exactly what I imagined. Imagination is the brains of the house.
Of course. Imagination is just turning your thinking upside down. Come on, it's time.
You said it, Doc. Imagination is a blast. Imagination, imagination. A dream can be a dream come true. We're just that far from the end. You
Creation, right at the start of everything that's new. Lights up for you.
Imagination. Beverly trying again. Yep. It's pretty good.
Set it up and do a Beverly challenge for both of us to get like a facial reaction.
Beverly.
This could be a mistake.
Alright. Cheers.
Cheers. Oh, that's so bad. Oh, it's like all the bad cough syrup.
Done.
Sweet fruity flavor.
I'm only like crying. Oh god. Done.
Probably do. I don't want to get it.
No. I thought it was better than that. When you try to do that, it's terrible. Alright, on to mission space. Let's do it. Three Caballero ride. Great one.
Let's see your chopstick skills on camera.
I got this.
Give a little one.
Almost done with my sushi. How's your ramen so far?
Delicious.
Nice. Alright. I'm gonna finish eating. Bye. It's a little So I have mochi, banana mochi right now. We got it from Japan. My first time trying mochi ever. Alright. That's so good. Alright. Alright. On to the next thing.
Parents, please supervise your children and refrain from flash photography.
I am on the front
using
row,
video lights
baby,
until we reach the
alone.
greenhouse.
Yo.
Thank you. But they contain more than half of its plant and animal species. Rainforests are also extremely rich in productive living systems.
Hi,
providing us
people.
with oxygen, food, medicines, and other elements essential
rainforest.
to our lives.
Look how big that bug is.
Welcome to our living laboratory, where scientists from Epcot and the U.S. Department of Agriculture are exploring innovative ways to produce bountiful harvests.
They're growing
now and into the
snowmen?
future.
Snowman? Question mark?
The tropics are
Where are all the little shrimp? I don't know where they are. Whoa. Happy holidays from Living with the Land. Dad would love this.
While there are more than 50,000 edible plant species in the world, most of
Okay, so we are now leaving Epcot right behind me to go back to the hotel and finally rest. My feet are so tired. How are your feet?
It's been a busy couple of days, and I'm an old man.
My feet really hurt, but I'm gonna push through it and walk to the car.
I may lose both of my legs, I'm not sure.
Yes.
You may have to carry me.
I may have to.
And drive home. You can drive stick,
I
right?
can do that, yeah.
Alright.
I got it. First try. So guys, make sure to leave a like and share with friends if you enjoyed. Sorry for it was kind of an abrupt ending, and it was kind of a long video, but make sure you guys leave a like and share with friends if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And if that little red button says subscribe, doesn't say subscribed with an ED, make sure to click that and subscribe to my channel for more. So, thank you guys. Peace out. See you in the next one.